To this bulk right here, we're gonna scoop up with the number 4 guard lever open. And close it. With my Rebel trimmer, right here at the top of the temple peak area. I'm gonna separate the beard. So essentially this is gonna be all that we're gonna bald out. This is my sharper trimmer. So I go right underneath that. And with my shaver, we're not gonna go all the way up. I'm just gonna make sure it balds out. Next, with my lever open, I'm gonna go about a finger's width. In the same step, we're gonna go ahead and erase it now. We're gonna be doing the closed to open lever method. We're gonna baby tap the line right here. Just go midway point now with the lever. Go midway 3/4. We're almost basically touching the top of the line, but not really. Then we're gonna open it all the way. Next, with the 1 guard lever open, we're gonna do the same thing, go a finger's width on top of the line that we just finished blending. We created that line right there, you guys can see. We're gonna go close to open again, and then slowly open the lever little by little, midway point. 3/4. And all the way open. Again, if you guys just want to take one last passing of just going close to open, that's not going to blend out the line. We still have to use our half guard, but if it looks almost blended, you guys did a good job. You guys just have to finish the job with the 0.5 guard. The closed lever now. Repeat, close to open again, but we're not going to go all the way up. We're just going to work that line right there, kind of see what needs to be blended or what doesn't, and move on to the next step. Next, we're going to follow the process with the number 2 guard lever open. Scoop out towards that 4 guard baseline that we set in the beginning of the video. And close it now. Bring everything together now with the 1.5 guard. We're gonna repeat the same thing. You guys can either go open or close it. We're already kind of almost done with the blend. We're gonna stay with our number 4 lever open for the base of our cut. Probably gonna only wanna go about 3 fingers. The soft trimmer, I'm just gonna go ahead and create like a nice little reference point. We're gonna give them kind of like a burst taper in the back, because I like the shape and I don't want to go as high as I did in the sides. The first step of trimming and fading our beard is gonna be to fade, line it up, and then detail it. So for this first step, lever open, we're gonna go about a finger's width right here. With our trimmer, we're just gonna go ahead and just soften the line a little bit. Next, with the lever closed, we're gonna hit the beginning of the line and gradually open our lever as we work that guideline. It's 3/4 open. Once it's like 3/4 open, we wanna almost hit the top of the line. Open it all the way. Attaching our one guard, lever open, a finger. Same process again, close it and gradually open. Half guard, that line right there. We're gonna do the same thing, closing it and gradually opening it. Just make sure you guys don't go all the way up. Let's repeat the process with the 1.5 guard. We're gonna go above that one guard lever open that we just finished blending. So let's close it. Now we have that connection right there.